How to change easy mode, touch and hold delay, time duration on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on easy mode. After click on easy mode, click on easy mode. Make sure turn on easy mode and scroll down and you will see touch and hold delay is here. So you will select very short, medium, long and custom. So you will select custom and click on save. After the process, click on done, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change easy mode, touch and hold delay, time duration on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.